Hey guys, welcome back to Slime 954. Today we're gonna be doing Don't Choose the Wrong Activator Slime Challenge. So let's get started. So we have to do rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. We're gonna put on our masks and pick a number, whichever number we have to pick that. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yay! Put on your mask. No, this is mine. I know, I'm just kidding. This is mine. This is mine. Mine. Okay. What? Okay. Any hour now. What is it? 66. 66. Okay, 6. Glue. Okay, I'm just gonna close my eyes. Ooh, yeah, 8. Oh my. Seriously, activator. My turn. I don't know which one I want. Five. That's 5. Activator. Yeah, number 4. That would be this one. Activator. What? Stay flow. I'm not making nothing. I'm trying to make it like an evil potion. Evil potion? Okay. My turn. This is way too much activator. I'm just gonna put this on. Did I get 2? Did I get 2? No. You got too much. There. 3. Is this glue? I think this is glue. Okay. Clear glue! Yay! I'm winning. I'm the only one who got glue. So far. 2. I got number 2. No, I don't want it that one. Yes! What is that? Dark. Black glue. I'm gonna go where you put it. That already looks like slime because of the activator. Okay. Number 9. Some glue, I'm guessing. Yay, glue! That's the activator. Okay. Seriously, number 1. Yay, I just get number 7. Glue! Clear glue. I thought that was activator. No. I got so much purple glue. I think I'm gonna make Nickelodeon slime. Okay. Comment down below which color you think is gonna turn out. Mine is totally gonna be purple. I think yours is gonna be black. No questions. Mine's activating already. Ooh la la. There was only one. It's 2 different colors. Wow. Play-Doh. I mean, not Play-Doh. I mean, Stay Flow. Look at this 2 colors. Look at mine. Whoa. Mine's purple. Look at this. Wait, there's clear slime and there's also black slime. Mine's a little hard. Let's take this one. Let me mix. I think I only had 2 activators. How much activators did I get? I got 3. I think I only got 1. Or maybe 2. I don't know. I think I got 1. This is so hard. What? Yeah, let's mix them up. I don't want mine to be black. Black, but it's beautiful, beautiful black. Can somebody give me some glue? Seriously, nobody. Yay, it's clearish, blackish. I can't even say it's clear sun, so it's I have no idea what this kind of slime is, because it's black, it's not clear. No, it's black and clear. Your slime turned out real. Do you see any clear? Where? I see clear all over. Ooh, clear. Mine's folding. Who should win? Probably me. You added glue. I didn't add nothing. Well, mine's pretty purple. Vote for me. I'm pretty purple. Mine's pretty black. To see who wins, type pretty purple or pretty black.
Good job, girls.
Bye guys, thanks for watching Sun 954. I hope you enjoyed it. And please remember to subscribe.